Once again, Robert Lesley. Good evening to the commissioner, good evening to the staff. I had the opportunity to speak with Oxy representative when this first started in 2012. In 2012, when we sat down and met with them, they said this project was going to be fracking. And they arbitrarily say, only thing that you have to worry about fracking, that it's just going to go vertically up and down. I knew better. As they had outcry from the public, they changed it to hydraulic drilling. Then once they had more outcry from the public, they changed it to direct drilling. Let me just say this real quick. When you're looking at a pressure of over 10,000 pounds of pressure of PSI going into the ground, and actually going into, in other words, to move that extraction, that hydrocarbon from the shell rock. If you look at the study from Dr. Teresa Watson, from the other geologists, from Stephen Bashu, as well as from the University of Cornell, they say automatically when you put that type of pressure and you release that carbon from the rock, the carbon itself will mitigate up as well with methane gas to the next closest thing as Mars that it can get and run. That's why you see people get those contamination from Oklahoma to Pennsylvania to all of Texas and every place else, because it mitigates into the water. They keep, even when they put the casing, it still leaks. So the thing is, for them to continuously it's 100%, we ask them at the meeting, then therefore if you say it's 100%, you get an you give a bond to the state, you give a bond to the city, give us a bond in the city, right, and for the residents here.
Yeah, right.
No, because that's another risk that we have to take. Well, it's a risk that we have to take ourselves. I know it's my time is
I'll
dinged.
give you 30 seconds.
Thank you. Let me just finish real quick.
Future venues.
Well, I say that it's inadequate because the slurry injection they putting back in there of the salt water is chemicals that they putting back into the ground. And finally, it's inexcusable that they never give you a listing on the oil field, which covers south side, west side, as well as here, how many abandoned wells they actually have. They won't give you a listing on it, and it's unsafe with all those abandoned wells that they never show you how they kept them in the first place with a blowout. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ross.